Well, good morning, friends. My husband and I have booked a very last-minute trip to Vail, Colorado, and in true Lucas fashion, we leave tomorrow and have not started packing. So I thought I would take you with me so that you can see how chaotic the day before a trip is for this family. Obviously, I've got to get my clothes together, but I also have a ton of packages I need to return. We have to get our dogs ready to be dropped off with their sitters. What else? I feel like there's so many other things I need to be doing, but we're gonna start by taking down our ski gear from the attic. So let's see if I can do this without Tyler around. Oh! God, I hate going up here. I hate the attic, I hate the attic, I hate the attic. Oh boy. I'm gonna leave the ski bag because I do not have a death wish, and I definitely will need Tyler's help with this. Oh, I forgot about this. I love this hat. Definitely taking that. I wear a yellow ski suit now because the first ski suit I bought myself was all white. Super cute, right? Except no one can see you when it's snowing. And I almost got hit so many times. And so now I wear the brightest color I can. Plus, I just love yellow. I am also very much a bib over pants kind of girl. Here it is, the old ski suit. Would not recommend white. Oh my gosh, I forgot how many cute beanies I have. Okay, the outer ski layer is done. Now I just need to pack everything that goes underneath and all my cute outfits for walking around town. Plus all my makeup and my hair stuff and my skincare. Basically a million other things. I just figured out what else I need to do today, and that is my Christmas cards. I just got a text from Walgreens that they are ready to be picked up, so I think I'm gonna go grab those and do the packages at the same time. And then I can really focus on packing and everything that needs to be done in the home. I was not joking about all of these. Okay, I am shocked how quick that all was, especially at holiday season, but I'm not complaining. Got my stamps, I got my Christmas card, and I'm gonna go home and send these out. Hopefully they arrive before Christmas. I'm not counting on it. Sending out Christmas cards has always been one of my favorite traditions. As a kid, my mom always sent one out and she would include a letter about what everyone in the family's been up to and just like major life events. And so my husband and I have carried on the tradition. And now we write our own Christmas letter to include to all of our friends and family as well. And then I keep one so I have just kind of something to look back on from every year at Christmas time, what was going on, what was happening in our lives. So it's just a fun little tradition. Round one is done, and now it's back to packing. I know you'll think I'm lying, but it's actually been 5 hours since I showed you guys the ski suits because I've had that many random tasks come up. Let's get back into it. We've got the first bottom layer. Ski socks, very important. 2 base layer tops. I honestly just wear the exact same ones year after year because nobody sees them. They go underneath and they work. I've been skiing since I was a kid, but Tyler is the real enthusiast for the sport. So he always wants to go a few times a year. I love the experience, like the ski experience to me. So good. Like hot tubs, après ski, just like being snowed in with all the people you like the most. I'm here for that. That's all great. The actual skiing, a half day of skiing is enough for me. Like I want to go out in the morning, ski through lunch, stop and get lunch and hot chocolate, and then that's it. I want to go inside and I want to be warm and clean. I want to get in the hot tub. I want to play games. I want to have a nice dinner. Like that's my perfect ski day. Tyler would be out there from like first chair to last chair, I think, if he could. So it's just the two of us on this trip, and I will see which one of us wins out in terms of scheduling. Snow boots, jeans. I definitely don't want anything with holes. Obviously, I have to pack my mountain sweater. The fact that people are able to pack without trying on the outfit first really blows my mind. I always have to try things on If I pack without trying on the clothes first, I always pack the most random assortment of things that I've like never worn in my life. So we are doing a try on, so I make sure I actually like these things before they go in the bag. I am so glad I live somewhere warm because I'm just really not a sweater jeans kind of gal. I've got to be honest. Because here's my thing, these are all fine, right? Like perfectly good sweaters. These are my favorite jeans. Not exciting. Nothing about these outfits really excites me. That is why I like dresses and skirts. You cannot deny that a skirt just does something that jeans cannot. Here is what I am thinking for traveling. My motto for travel days is to be comfortable because you never know if you're going to get stranded at the airport and no one wants to be stranded in jeans, you know? So I'm just going for a little sweatsuit, little matching set. Okay, here is what we are working with so far. I will be honest, I am quickly losing inspiration. And so I am going to go do a workout and distract myself and try and find the inspiration to continue packing. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I know I did a lot of this without you. I'm so sorry, but we are officially in the closing the suitcase phase, which is great news because I'm supposed to leave in, I think, like 2 hours maybe, and I still have to go do a bunch of chores, some work, and then pick up lunch and drop off my dog. So we're pretty much on track. My husband and I always end up sharing a suitcase. I don't know why we do this. It might be time for us each to get our own suitcase. Okay, I apologize. That was fairly chaotic, but we are on our way. I'm going to check back in when we're in Colorado. I'm going to do my best to vlog the whole trip. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.